Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Meta Platforms? This is ticker META. Now, if you want to get into the metaverse, and I'm not talking about the 3D goggles or the VR headset or anything like that, I'm just talking about getting into this trade because Meta has been a monster for months. And maybe you're sitting on the sidelines looking at Meta being like, okay, where's my entry? How do I even buy this thing? I definitely see an entry here on Meta. And what I would do is set an alert on Meta right around this 630 level, maybe just under 630, because as we see, Meta has broken down under this 50-day moving average, but it was able to get back above and do it with conviction. And anytime you see a stock floundering under the 50-day, ideally it doesn't get too far away from the 50-day moving average, but if they bring that stock back above that 50-day moving average and do it on volume, that's typically a stock that you do want to get involved in. So we see it above the 50-day moving average, we see it making a new high, and then we see it consolidating right along that all-time high level. And so we see the all-time high just right around 630. And so what I would do again is just set an alert and watch for Meta to break through that zone and do it on good volume, and that could be a trigger to enter this stock. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. And also on Saturday, I'm going to be teaching my workshop, Crypto 101K. And Crypto 101K is going to be a couple of hours of me going through basically everything I know about cryptocurrency, digital assets, how to analyze them, how to trade them, and the important metrics you need to know if you want to be successful in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and the like. So that's coming up on Saturday. Click on crypto101k.com for info, and I hope to see you there. I'll catch you in the next one.